Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, this is a brief translation of today's khutbah. And it is and give zakat. It's all about zakat. O you who are fasting, O you hasten towards good deeds, compete in acts of charity, race towards acts of obedience, and strive to attain your Lord's pleasure. Remember the saying of your Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In the sacred hadith, he narrates from his Lord, "My servant does not draw near to me with anything more beloved to me than what I have made obligatory upon him." Allah has made it obligatory upon his servants to give zakah from their wealth, saying, "Take from their wealth a charity by which you purify them and cause them to increase." He made it one of the pillars of Islam and one of its greatest foundations. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "From the completeness of your Islam is that you pay zakat on your wealth." Allah has mentioned zakat alongside prayer in 27 places in His book, emphasizing its importance and great status. Allah the Almighty says, "Establish prayers and give zakat." O servants of Allah, there are numerous benefits and great advantages in giving zakat. Through it, a person tastes the sweetness of iman, of faith. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Three things, whoever does them has tasted the flavor of iman, faith." And he mentioned among them, "And gives zakat on his wealth willingly, with his soul content and pleased." By giving zakat, Allah preserves and increases your wealth. Allah multiplies their reward and compensates them for their wealth with His generosity, gifts, and bounty. Have you not heard your Prophet ﷺ swear by three things? He said, "Three things I swear by, and I will tell you something, so memorize it." And among them he mentioned, "A servant's wealth does not decrease due to charity." How fortunate is the one who gives the zakat on his wealth and pays what is due on his cattle, palm trees, crops, and fruits, so that he may find it to be the greatest of deeds in his record. On the day when every soul will find whatever good it has done present before it. And how unfortunate is the one who neglects zakat until his time of death arrives. He will wish to return to this world to give it, but there will be no return. Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "Whoever possesses wealth upon which zakat is due and does not pay it, will wish it to return to his world at the time of death to pay it." Recite, if you wish, the words of Allah the Almighty, and spend from what we have provided you before death comes to you. And he says, "My Lord, if only you would delay me for a short time, I would give charity and be among the righteous." So hasten, O people of virtue, generosity, bounty, and magnanimity, to give the zakat of your wealth. Offer it and do not neglect it. Pay it and do not delay it. And you, one upon whom years of unpaid zakat has accumulated, do not say, "The time has passed." Rather, act today before tomorrow and give the due right of Allah that He entrusted to you. The opportunity is still before you. Purify your wealth and clear yourself of the obligation, and do good as Allah has done good to you. O you who are fasting, indeed Allah the Almighty has set specific conditions and clear ruling for zakat. Whoever possesses wealth equivalent to 85 grams of gold, which is approximately 30,000 dirhams, is required to pay zakat on it at a rate of 2.5% of his wealth, provided that a full Hijri year has passed while owning this amount. That is the minimum zakat payable, and it is called nisab. This is based on the saying of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoever acquires wealth, there is no zakat due to it until a lunar year passes over it. Also, O giver of zakat, beware of giving your zakat to undeserving individuals, such as beggars who exploit people's emotions. Such behavior is warned against in Islam and is prohibited by law. O Allah, bless our provisions for us. Enable us to pay zakat on our wealth. Record it for us among the deeds of the successful. Ameen. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم عنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم عنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك. اللهم برحمتك الواسعة ورضاك عمنا واكفنا شر ما أهمنا، وعلى الإيمان الكامل والكتاب والسنة جميعا توفنا وأنت راض عنا. اغفر اللهم لنا ولوالدينا ولمشايخنا ولأصحاب الحقوق علينا ولإخواننا في الله تعالى أحياء وأمواتا ولكافة المسلمين أجمعين. اللهم اشف مرضانا، اللهم اشف مرضانا، اللهم اشف مرضانا، اللهم عاف مبتلانا، اللهم عاف مبتلانا، واجعل الجنة مأواهم ومأوانا. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم عنا الصيام والقيام وغض البصر وحفظ اللسان. اللهم عنا الصيام والقيام وغض البصر وحفظ اللسان. اللهم عنا الصيام والقيام وغض البصر وحفظ اللسان. وبسبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون، وسلام على المرسلين، وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.